Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw BMW Roman 9 step by step. Begin by assembling your materials and choosing a reference photo with the car in a clear side or 3/4 view. Lightly sketch the main geometric shapes to block out the body, wheels, and cabin. Keep your hand relaxed and use simple lines to establish proportions before refining details and panel lines. Start by drawing the car's silhouette using basic rectangles and circles to place wheels and body mass. Focus on wheelbase, roof height, and window placement to lock in realistic BMW iX proportions. Use light construction lines and compare distances visually. Adjust until shapes feel balanced. Establish the hood, cabin, and rear spacing before committing to darker lines so refinements are easier and more precise. Carefully draw the front grille, headlight shapes, and signature aerodynamic cuts that define the BMW iX face and profile. Refine wheels, rim spokes, and tire depth, then add door seams and mirror shapes with steady lines. Use gradual shading to indicate curvature and paint reflections, blending to keep transitions smooth. Step back occasionally to check contrast and adjust highlights to enhance the three-dimensional effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.